Question number 18. The diagram shows two mathematically similar flasks. These are similar. Flask A and flask B. The flask A has a height of 7 cm and the surface area 132. So let's say this is flask A and flask B. The height and surface area. The height is 7 cm and the surface area is 132 cm square. Flask B has a surface area 297 cm square. Work out the height of flask B. That is the height. These are the similar flasks. So for the surface area, the scale will be, so scale for surface area will be 297 over 132. So this is the scale for surface area. So scale for the height will be root 297 over 132. Had this been a volume, the scale for the height will be a cube root of this. So scale for height is 1.5. Now the height of flask A is 7 cm. So height of flask B will be 7 multiply 1.5. So that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now part B says find the volume of the flask if the volume of flask B is. Now this is flask A and this is flask B. The height is 7 and the height of flask B is 10.5. The volume of flask B is 567. What is the volume of flask A? Now we have seen that the scale factors of height, that is 7 over 10.5, we have already calculated it, that is 1.5. So scale factor for volume is equal to 1.5 cube. Now this is bigger, so we are not going to multiply, we are going to divide. So the volume will be, volume of A will be 567 divided by 1.5 cube. That is 168 centimeter cube. That is the volume of flask A. Always remember, first try to find the scale factor. If the length is given and you have to find the bigger volume, you multiply by the square of the scale factor to get the area. And you also get, if you want to know the volume, so you multiply by the cube of the scale factor. If you want to find the smaller volume, you divide by the scale factor. Question number 19. The table gives information about the distance in kilometer traveled by 120 people to get to an airport. This is the information. On the grid below, draw a histogram. Now for the histogram, we need frequency density. we know that frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. Frequency we have, so let's find the class width. 0 to 10 is 10, 10 to 25 is 15, 25 to 45 is 20, and 60 to 45 to 60 is 15. That is our class width. Now we have to find frequency density. Frequency density is frequency, that is 10, frequency is not 10, frequency is 33. So that is 33 divide 10, 39 divide 15, 36 divide 20, and 12 divide 15. So this is 3.3, this is 2.6, this is 1.8, and this is 0.8. So this is the frequency density. Now 0 to 10, it is 3.3. 10 to 25, it is 2.6. 25 to 45, it is 1.8. And 45 to 60, it is 0.8. Let's use this frequencies. Now, zero to 10, it is 3.3. Now nothing is given here, so we can give the number. We need up to, if we give 1, 2, 3, that is also okay. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not so dark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2. I hope this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 3, and so on. So we have x-axis of frequency density, that is 1, 2, and 3. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now x-axis is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 30. Now first is 0 to 10 is 3.3. 0 to 10 is this, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So this is 0 to 10. Zero to 10 to 25 is this, and this is 2.6, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6. You use ruler to draw this line. Next is 25 to 45. 41, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 45. 1.8. This is 2. So this is 1.8. And from 45 to 60, this is 0.8. 0.8 is 2 less in 1. So that is 60. So this is our histogram. Part B is one of these people is to be selected at random. Find an estimate for the probability that this person traveled more than 30 kilometers to get to the airport. So our 30 is here. So let's see how many people are here. So we can calculate this and we can calculate that side. So let's find how many people are there. So this one we are having, if you check, we have 33 people here. Here we have 39. But here the total number of the people are 36. So we have to find how many are below 30. So to get the people of below 30 will be, this is 1.8 frequency density. If you multiply it by the width, this width is 5. So that will be 9. So the number of people or travelers who travels less than 30 kilometers to reach to the airport are 33 plus 39 plus 9, that is 81. Total we have travelers 120. So the person who traveled more than 30 kilometers will be 120 minus 81, and that will be 39. This is 39. Those who traveled, you can calculate this way also. This is 12, and this total was 36. 9 has been taken from there. So 36 minus 9 is, this is 27. So 27 plus 12, that is 39. Or you add this and subtract. So the probability will be 39 divided by the total number of travelers. That is 120, not 180. So that is 120. So the probability will be 0.325. Question number 20. Root 50 plus root 128 minus 200 is equal to n root 2, where n is an integer. Find the value of n. Now we know that root 50, that is 25. We can write it 2 times 5 times 5. So this 5 can come common. So this can be written as 5 root 2. Root 128. Root 128 is 2 multiplied 2 to the power 7. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128. The student should know all the powers of 2 from 2 is to the power 1 of 2 is to the power 10. It always helps. So this can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 7 times. 1, 2, 3, and 7 times. So this is one pair, second pair, third pair, 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So this is, it can be written as 8 root 2. You need only a little practice and it's easy. Now third one is root 200. We know that 200 is equal to 2 multiply 100, that is 10 multiply 10, and 10 is 2 multiply 5. So 2 multiply 2 is 4. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 5 is 10, that is 120. So that this is, now here we can see in this is a one pair and this is another pair. So 5 times 2 is 10 and the root 2 is remaining. Now you can see here what we have is 5 root 2, 8 root 2 and 10 root 2. So it can be written as 5 root 2 plus 8 root 2 minus 10 root 2. This can be written as 5 plus 8 minus 10. We have removed root 2 and we have taken root 2 as common. So that is 18 minus 10. It will be, no, not 18. This is 8 and 5. 13 minus 10. So that is 3 root 2. So n is 3 root 2. Now you may lose the marks here because he's asking the value of n only. So your answer is supposed to be just n. That is, n is equal to 3. Part B is 5 root a plus a over 10 root a. In such question we have to write in this form x plus y root a. So we can separate it. We can write 5 root a plus a. We have divided into these two parts, and this we are writing separately. This is 10 root a and this is 10 root a. It's very easy. You can write the denominator under each term of the numerator. If it is a plus b plus c over x, you can write it as a over x plus b over x plus c over x. Now here you can see that root a and root a cancel and 5 times 2 is 10. So it will become 1 over 2 plus. Now this is root a and this is a. So we want root, so we rationalize the denominator. To rationalize it, whenever you saw root in the denominator, you multiply by the same number. So this will become a root a over 10, and you know root x multiply root x will be x. If you multiply any number in the root, it is the same number in root, you will get the same. For example, root 2 multiply root 2 will be 2. So a root a will be a. Now in this, a and a is cancelled. So we have cancelled this, and our answer will be so that is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 10 root a. So this is x and this is y. So our answer is in x plus y root a form. Question number 21 is factorize 10a minus b square minus 2a minus 5b square. This question is of the form of x squared minus y square. So that is equal to x minus y and x plus y. And here this is x and this is y. So first x minus y. So this is x, 10a minus b. This is x minus y is 2a minus 5b. This is first bracket, and the second bracket is same thing. We are going to write x plus y. So x is 10a minus b, 10a minus b plus 2a minus 5b. There's a negative sign, so it will be 10a minus b. This will become minus 2a. This is negative and negative plus 5b. This is the first bracket, and the second bracket is 10a minus b. This is a plus, so plus 2a minus 5b. It will remain same. No sign will change. Here the sign will change because of that. So this will be 10a minus 2a. 10 minus 2 is 8a minus b plus 5b is plus 4b, and this will be 10a plus 2a. So that will be 10 plus 2, 12a. Minus b minus 5b is minus 6b. So this question is, when a biased coin is thrown 5 times, the probability of getting heads. So we have head and we have tail. The probability of getting 5 heads is 32 over 3125. So what is the probability of getting 1 head? We divide 32 over 3125 divided by 5. So the probability of getting 1 head. So if we divide it, so it will be 2 over 5. And the probability of getting one tail, total is 5, so that is 3 over 5. Or you can write 1 minus 2 over 5. Whatever way is there. This is the probability of getting one tail. This is the probability of getting one head. Now 4 head and one tail. So probability of getting 4 heads is 2 over 5 to the power 4, and probability of getting one tail is 3 over 5. So that will be 240 over 3125. And don't take this point wrongly here that we divided by 5 and while how we are saying 2 over 5. It means if you check this thing, this is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 and multiplied 2. And this is 5 is to the power 5. This is 2 is to the power 5. This is. So it means for 1 it is, we divide it into 5 parts, 2 over 5. So that's why it comes as 2 over 5. If it is a 4 heads, this one. 1 is 1 minus 2 over 5, that is 3 over 5. Question number 23rd is, f is a function such that fx is, so what will be f minus 4? So f minus 4 will be 3 minus 4 over minus 4 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 12 over minus 6. So that will be 2. F minus 4, this one is negative 2. So now it is G, F minus 4, we'll just put value to G2. It will be 4 multiplied 2 over 5. So that is 12 over 5. So that is the answer, 12 over 5. So it is 12 over 5. You can also write it as 1.6, but this is the correct answer. Part B is express the composite function fg in the form of fgx. fgx. So it is f and gx is 4x over 5. The function f is, let's say, 3x over x minus 2. Now we are going to replace this x by this. There is x, I replace this x, and I am replacing it by 4x over 5. In the same way, this x I am replacing by 4x over 5. So this will be 4x over 5. See, our function is 3x over x minus 2. 3x. Now x is this. 4x over 5. X minus 2 is this. So if I solve it, that will be 3 times 4 is 12 x over 5 divided by 4x minus 10 over 5. We can cancel 5 by 5. So this is 12x over 4x minus 10. We can divide this by 2 and we can take 2 common. So this is 2x minus 5. We can cancel this by 6. So it will be 6x divided by 2x minus 5. You need a little bit practice and you will get the answer correctly. Express the inverse of function x. This is x, this is y, we call it fx. So this is called f inverse. So fx is, let's say, y is equal to 3x over x minus 2. Always remember, when we have to write the inverse of a function, we write fx. This is fx, function of x. We write it as y is equal to or any number. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make x as subject. So we try to solve it. We multiply this. Y times x is xy. Y times minus 2 is 2y is equal to 3x. Now we take the terms having x. This is having x and this one is having x. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking this term here and this 2 I'm taking this side. So this is xy. Now this is 3x will come on this side, will become minus 3x is equal to 2y will go here, will become 2y. We take x common, so remaining is 3 and y and 3. So y minus 3 is equal to 2y. So x will be 2y over y minus 3. We have made x as a subject. Now what you are supposed to do, because we are writing the inverse, f inverse x. Now you change this y by x. So how I'm going to write it there? Instead of writing 2y over y minus 3, this y I'm going to write as x. So I will write 2x over x minus 3. So that is my inverse function. This is the very important point you must know, that f inverse x, our equation is saying only in y, but we have to write in terms of x. Question number 24 is OABC is a parallelogram. OABC. So these sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. This is 4a. This is also 4a. These are parallel. This is 3c. So this also is 3c. X is a point such that CBX is a straight line, and these are two parallel lines now. CB is to BX is 2 is to 3. So this is 2 is to 3. If this one is 2x, this is 3x. If this is x, this one will be 3x over 2. If this is 4, this will be multiplied by 4. So that is 6. Actually this is 4a. So this one will be 6a. This is very simple, you should know about it. CB, x is a point. Okay, we know that 2 is to 3. Y is a point such that Cy is equal to 2ax. Now we have one line ax. Now Cy is equal to 2ax. It means these lines are parallel. Cy is equal to 2x. Its magnitude is more, that's all. So Cy is equal to 2ax. That is okay. Find in terms of a and c the vector oy. This point is y. We have to calculate oy. So oy is equal to oc plus cy. So that is the one. Now let's say so that's equal to OC. OC is 3C plus CY. CY and AX is having a relation, so it can be written as CY can be written as 2AX. So I can write it as 2AX. CY is equal to 2AX. It is given. Now we can write it. This is equal to 3C plus now 2. Now AX. AX can be written as AX 3C plus BX. It's very clear. 3C, that is AB plus BX. And BX we have just calculated, it's a 6A. So this is 3C plus 2, 3C plus BX is 6A. So that is 3C plus 6C plus 12A. So OY can be written as 12A plus 9C. So that is the answer of its simplest form. You can write 3 commons, but that is a 4A plus 3C, or you can write it like that. So that's the end of the paper. Thank you very much for watching. Now the next paper will be C1 6663 for GCE. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.